कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Umentri Rangbah ke Jilla Ukonra ke Sangma Ubolongru National President juga National People's Party. Ulo ong bekladon ke Jingïasngewthuh Jingmut Kaba Skhem hapadeng ke sengsan perthai ki biya trailang hapo ke kinho National Democratic Alliance pan Krishan ki kertong ke NDA hak election Lok Sabha. Hak jingkaran mikla pathai ke bor konrad ulo ong kladon ke jingyai ke baklan pan se yaki kertong manlang na ke bentaban Krishan yaki kertong jong ke NDA pat hak Jilla Meghalaya kan de ke seng NPP Nagaland ke NDPP but ha Outer Manipur ke NPF but ha Manipur ke BJP.
Yes, there is a very strong understanding between the NDA partners, especially in this election. And there has been a very good communication amongst all the NDA partners. And hence, there is a consensus from all the NDA partners that to the maximum extent possible, we should all try and support the NDA candidature in every specific constituency. For example, there is the NDA candidate is the NDPP candidate in the state of Nagaland. And therefore, what should be the BJP stand for that? What should be the NPP stand? NPP has 5 MLAs there. Similarly, other political parties are there. So like that, there is a strong move towards creating a more consensus towards support to the NDA candidate. Could be sponsored by a specific political party. Say in Meghalaya, it happens to be NPP. In Nagaland, it happens to be NDPP. In Outer Manipur, it happens to be NPF. And Arunachal happens to be BJP. So like that, there will be a kind of a movement, and there is a movement towards that. And therefore, I am going to Nagaland on Monday, and I will be meeting the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, along with my party leaders and my MLAs, to discuss about the matter. Similarly, our leader and General Secretary, Mr. James Sangma, is right now in Arunachal Pradesh discussing the similar matters. And also discussing about the assembly elections there. Similarly, I had met my Manipur leaders that come to Shillong, and we had a meeting in the morning for almost an hour to discuss these matters. So like that, there's a very strong consensus, and we are moving towards ensuring that NDA candidates are supported. And wherever NPP has a strong base or has elected representatives, we will support the NDA candidate. 2 things. Number one, I don't ever believe that we are in the driving seat, or I don't like to think like that, or we don't try to be overconfident in elections. I have mentioned it every time in every election, you must have noticed. So I don't take anything lightly. Every election is a difficult election, and every election is different. We have to work hard in Tura also. We cannot take things for granted, and we will not take things for granted. Number 2, coming to the Shillong seat, we are working very hard out here. We are very, very thankful to all the political parties that are extending their support to us, whether we are getting support now from the BJP, whether we got specific support from the TMC in the Nongthamai constituency, and maybe outside Nongthamai constituency also, there could be TMC leaders who support the NPP. So like that, we're getting support from everybody. So we're thankful for that. But still, there's a lot of work to be done. We have to really reach out, and we have to connect with the people and campaign for our candidates. So all that work is on, and let's hope for the best. Every support is a good thing. Every organization has their base. Every organization has their voters, and obviously the support of any individual or any political party coming and supporting us is a positive thing. So therefore, every drop adds to the ocean, as they call it, and therefore we are very happy, and we are quite hopeful that, as I said, the support that is coming in will have a positive impact on the NPP in this country.